How do I change the battery in my alarm? On the rear of the Espire alarm head, the product code and description can be found on the product label with basic user instructions. The label will also indicate if the battery is replaceable, as some models include sealed or non-replaceable batteries. For further information on replacing the battery, consult the specific product manual found on the Espire website. The alarm will need to be isolated from the main supply and alarm head removed from the base using the release lever. Then the correct battery can be replaced in the carriage before refitting. The mains can be reapplied and alarm testing can be carried out. Check that the red LED flashes at 40-second intervals to show that the alarm is functioning and the green power status LED is permanently lit. Press and hold the test hush button for a minimum of 10 seconds. The alarm will sound and the red LED will flash. This ensures battery replacement has been successful. It is advised that the alarm is tested weekly after installation.